Most people think saving money is simple, but they are losing $100 this week without realizing it. Subscriptions you forgot, services you never use. One friend was paying $12 a month for an app they never opened. A small tweak later, $50 extra appeared in their account. Wait till you see the next one. It gets even crazier. Alerts ignored. I set one up and realized I was losing $15 every month on a service I forgot existed. One click, $60 more that month. Timing kills. Waiting a few days for a promo or cashback can instantly give you extra money without touching your lifestyle. Little habits matter. Making coffee at home, pausing unneeded subscriptions. Small things, but combined they can save $100 this week. Here is the twist most people never notice. Stacking all of these together multiplies your savings faster than you ever imagined. If you find this valuable, subscribe, like, and follow. Don't miss tips that can reclaim hundreds without changing your life. Final twists you will only see in the full video. It could double your weekly savings effortlessly. Your money is waiting. Are you ready to grab it?